Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Intel Unison application on your mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download Intel Unison application on your mobile device, then the process is quite easy. Simply open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Intel Unison in the search box and perform your search. Once you find the application that looks like this, tap on the Get button in order to download the app. Now wait until the application gets downloaded on your mobile device, and once it is done, tap on Open to open the app. That is how you can easily download Intel Unison application on your mobile device. Intel Unison is a software application developed by Intel Corporation. It allows users to synchronize and share files across multiple devices, including computer, smartphones, and tablets. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.